In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow cookies in Brave browser. If a website isn't loading correctly, keeps signing you out, or can't remember your preferences, it might be because cookies are blocked. Brave is privacy-focused and blocks a lot by default, which is great for security, but sometimes you'll need to allow cookies so sites work as intended. I'll walk you through the exact setting to change and share a few tips so you understand what's happening. Start by opening your Brave browser. Once it's open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-line menu icon. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click it to open the list of options. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens Brave's settings in a new tab, where all your privacy, appearance, and site behavior options live. We're heading to the place where Brave controls its protections. In the left-hand sidebar of Settings, click on Shields. Shields is Brave's built-in protection system that handles things like ad blocking, tracker blocking, fingerprinting defenses, and cookie behavior. The cookie controls we need are right here, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus. On the Shields page, look for the section labeled Block Cookies. You'll see a drop-down next to it. Click the drop-down to view the available options. Brave typically offers choices like blocking all cookies, blocking only cross-site cookies, or allowing all cookies. If websites are breaking because cookies are too restricted, you'll want the most permissive setting. From the drop-down, select Allow All Cookies. This tells Brave to accept both first-party cookies, which help a site remember you, and third-party cookies, which can also be used for things like embedded services. The change applies immediately. There's no extra save button. If you had a page open that wasn't working before, just refresh it, and it should begin to behave normally. A quick note on what this means. Allowing all cookies maximizes compatibility, but it can reduce privacy because some third-party cookies track you across sites. If you only needed this change to fix a specific site, consider switching back later to a stricter option like blocking cross-site cookies. Another handy approach is to keep Brave strict globally and relax protections only for a particular site using the Shields icon next to the address bar, so you get the best of both worlds. That's it. You've successfully allowed cookies in Brave. If a site still doesn't work after this, try reloading the page or clearing that site's data. Otherwise, you're good to go.